Hi, I'm Deanna Rodriguez, Lichtsinn RV sales consultant. Today I'm going to point out the top features of the top-selling Winnebago Class C diesel View and Navion 24D floor plan. With a convenient length of just 25 feet 6 inches, the 24D offers easy maneuverability, while the 36-inch deep slide-out expands the living area significantly. Even when the slide-out is in, you can easily walk from the front to the rear of the coach. The mid-coach seating area provides a sofa that converts to a walk-around queen-size Murphy bed with the touch of a button. The pedestal table can be moved from the seating area to the cab seating area easily, providing efficient flexibility. With the Murphy bed, U-shaped dinette, and cab over bunk area, the 24D floor plan can sleep up to 4 people. In addition to the numerous overhead cabinets, pantry, and wardrobe, the 24D also has 30 cubic feet of exterior storage compartments. These are the top features that our guests love about the View and Navion 24D. Contact myself or another Lichtsinn RV sales consultant to learn more about the 24D and save with our factory discounted pricing.